You know, basically what you see is what you get. You're treating the body, not looking to the instructor. You have the ability to run different scenarios. You're certainly the different features that we have on this one. So you can see you can run like a difficult airway. You can set into apnea. You can do tension pneumo on the right or the left. You have options to turn on like the second chest wound, the inguinal wound, the right, the gunshot wound on the leg. So you drop a needle and the body will
sense the needle
regulate.
And then it will change the height of the chest.
Yeah, it'll regulate.
Music off, so we have access to that.
Sweet, man.
Getting him out.
So you can control the whole.
Left tension pneumo, second chest wound, gunshot wound. If you intubate it, so you see the heart rate's way up because it's
gives you the vitals too.
Tubes dropping.
The goal of these would be to step back entirely. It's autonomous response, so as you make a change, you will see different changes autonomously in the mannequin.
Tourniquet!
This is the EMITT whole body system active shooter variation. Also got the opportunity to do like a cricothyroidotomy on the neck. You've got eyes that can change. They actually can spin and become different dilations. Have the mannequin go into different tension pneumothorax on either side. Also have the ability to set a needle D on the chest, mid-clavicular line. Got opportunities for like a sternal IO and a bubbling chest wound. In this case would be like a second chest wound with a non-bubbling exit wound on the back. These models are separate. They can actually be broken apart through the legs here. So you've got a packable wound right there. And
I need to pack this one. I ain't gonna be able to get high enough.
You get it? Let's go, up high.
I need some, yeah,
I got it, right here. And here.
Got you, Jose. I got it.
whenever it's actually bleeding. You've got more.
Fuck you.
We do have models that have quite a bit more, or quite a few more features to them. In this case, we were able to watch each team come through and see, you know, if the mannequin even survived, because it'll show you like how much blood was lost and how long it took them to stop the bleeding in certain cases, as well as which particular items they tried to treat.
Keep your time. It was awesome.